this is Sheila, and in this video, we're going to talk about how to measure systematic risk. Systematic risk is the market or the undiversifiable risk which is unpredictable and difficult to avoid, in which will affect the market value of the portfolio. And systematic risk can be measured using beta. Measuring systematic risk using beta will help to determine the volatility of the stocks in the market. It will minimize the level of exposure of an investor to systematic risk. It will determine the price movement of the stocks in the market. And using beta, it will measure the stock sensitivity to the market change. And the broad market of beta is equivalent to 1, which will help us to determine how greater the risk of an investor in the market. Since the broad market of beta is equivalent to 1, it will help us to determine how much the risk in the market using beta. If the beta is higher than 1, it means that the portfolio has greater sensitivity to the systematic risk in the market. If the beta is equal to 0, it means that the portfolio in the market is uncorrelated. If the beta is less than 0, it means it has negative correlation in the market. The higher the beta, the higher the risk to the systematic risk. The lower the beta, it has the negative correlation in the market. Calculating the beta is the quotient of covariance and the variance of the portfolio in the market. The value of the covariance is the changes of the stock's return related to the changes in the return of the market, while the value of the variance is to determine how far the data of the market spreads out from the average value. To understand more how to calculate the beta of the portfolio using the formula, let's say, for example, an investor wants to compute the beta of company XYZ compared to company ABC based on the 5-year data. XYZ and ABC has a covariance equivalent to 0.022, and the company ABC has a variance of equivalent to 0.010. So calculating the beta using the formula covariance divided by the variance, it will result to 2.22 beta of the company XYZ, which means company XYZ has the greater sensitivity to the systematic risk in the market. It means if they will invest, they will have a highest return, but they also have the highest sensitivity of the risk in the market.